How you doing? My name is Trent Rodriguez here at J-Tech, and I'm going to actually show you today how we're going to be replacing some cylinder head seals. So as you come over here, these tubes are actually what's putting the hydraulic fluid in here, taking it out and putting it in there. So we're actually going to have to remove these. Make sure you have a drain pan, so you set it under here so it'll have somewhere to drain into. And you're actually going to take this whole piece out, and we're going to have a table to set it on. If you come over here, as you can see, we already removed the cylinder right here, and this is the front vertical one. So we have it already removed. The tube's already drained into the pan, and if you come right here, show you actually where we're replacing the seals. So you take a closer look. On the cap right here, there's two seals that go in there. I don't know if you can see the bottom one, but they've already been replaced. And come over here. All these seals are broken up and dry rotted. So we're gonna be replacing all those in the cap. This is actually the rod that goes in the housing right here. And this is the other cap. So you have your two O-rings that we replaced right there. Then you have your other seal right there. Then you also have a seal inside here. And as you can see, they're all these are dry rotted. Now how they were created was by, see how all it's lifted up off here. So this is what is actually cut the seals to break them open, and the hydraulic fluid actually leaked on them to make them turn the bad seals. I mean, eventually it's gonna leak again, but right now we're just replacing them to prevent it. And I'll actually show you how it's going to be put together in just 1 second after the seals are replaced. Alright, as you can see, we got the new seals on it. We got the rod actually coming through the housing now. And you got the two seals inside here, then the two O-rings right here on this cap. And then on this cap we have the O-rings right here also. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide this on.
You just walk. He's waiting at the ground. And you're right behind him, just waiting. He's like,
and then just like, slowly walk.
And we're gonna screw it down. The reason it's on a clean spot is because, as you can see, it has all this rust right here, and we don't want to cut the new seals while tightening this down, and it's easier to screw on here.
See, I was gonna step back.
It was easy.
We get out at noon. We get out noon, and then we gotta sit here for an hour and a half waiting. No, I go to my job, warm up my videos I have.
from his high school girlfriend.
Bet? Bet. Get her number.
I can't wait to fuck tonight.
Both their number.
You know, great partner you over there
I
for.
don't need this girl's number.
I can't touch the box.
So now,
That one.
Trying to brag or something. Oh, that's cute.
you shouldn't do this by the fittings because it might break them, but this is the
Before we took the monkey wrench from us.
Yeah, so we couldn't get it on using the other way. Just want to get it all the way on there. Not too tight, just snug.
GNC. Alright. Stop. I'll grab that monkey wrench right there.
It's a bad thing to show them? That's a bad thing to show them.
On the flat spot?
Yes, on the flat spot.
Oh, was he talking about taking it off this video?
You can break it.
fitting.
That's it. That's it. Just stop.
She there?
Alright.
No, that's how it's supposed to.
Alright.
Legitimately. This shit work all the time.
Do that shit at work all the time.
No, seriously, what the fuck else
Just gonna get this on there. This one should go in way easier than the other side.
I worked for it together, we don't have this straight shit.
Alright, and the seals are all changed out on these.
Strap it down a little bit. No.
As you can see, we got these parallel to each other. So now we're just gonna go come over here and just put it back on. All the seals are changed. And so we'll set this here.
Put the top one in first. Put the top one in first.
See? Cylinders are on. And this pin right here. When you put the pins back in, make sure that the circular part goes around the actual part of the pin in there. Alright. You're gonna reinstall these hoses. Same thing on the top. that is how you would change the seals on a cylinder and do a simple fix on it, or a simple repair on it. And my name's Trent here at JTech.